What's going on, cleaning family? It's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's YouTube video, I'm going to be doing a move-in, move-out cleaning in a one-bedroom attic apartment. So stay tuned. Now, when you first come up the steps of this apartment, we have this large kitchen / dining area, which is pretty big if you ask me. And then we do have a full bathroom. So this bathroom does have a sink, it has a stand-up shower, and it does have a toilet. Every single room in this apartment is on the larger side, although it is only made up of 3 rooms. And I'm going to take you through each and every room, share our checklist on how we would clean and what we would clean. Now here we have the bedroom, which you can see has some high ceilings, and it also has one small closet. And I'm really excited to be doing this move-in, move-out cleaning because it is for a family member of mine. So I decided to film this opportunity so that I can show you guys how I personally would clean step by step and explain why that is. Now here I'm just showing you the before of the bathroom. As you can see, it's not too dirty, but I still want to make sure that everything is nice and clean for the next owner. Say hi. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Come to me up. Say hi to my YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Okay, you want to play in that room? Me and Mommy are going to clean the bathroom, okay? Thank you so much, you guys. Let me show you where the baseboards are. Come on. I'm going to take you to the next room. It's so funny. It's funny. So look, Papa, these are baseboards right here, look. These right here, these are the baseboards. You wanna wipe them? You go like this. You're gonna take all the dust off, all of them. And these two, look, the light switches.
Okay.
Good job, Mama. Thank you. Great news, cleaning family. I have officially launched my Cleaning Business Mentor online community, which is a paid monthly membership to an online community of cleaning business owners from all around the globe. Also included are group coaching calls, some of my online courses, new digital downloads, members only videos, and so much more. If you guys are interested in joining my online community with tons of ongoing support, be sure to go ahead and sign up today. Link in the description of this video.